Diwali holidays, I went to visit my grandpa. And there were many orange trees in his garden. I ate so many oranges. It was so sweet and juicy. Hello, Monami. Hello, teacher. So, I also love to eat oranges. And today we are going to do letter O, which also looks like an orange. Hello, children. Welcome to our channel, Let's Learn with Monami. And today we are going to do letter O. This is an uppercase O. What is this, Monami? This is an uppercase O. And this is a lowercase o. What is this, Monami? This is a lowercase o. Do you know, children? Letter O is a vowel and it has two sounds. To make you understand it better, here is the story of the wise octopus. One day, Sir Octopus thought of writing a book on the ostrich. But there was a problem. As Sir Octopus lived in the ocean, he did not have much information about the ostrich. So he had an idea. He invited his old friend Otter for a cup of coffee and onion sandwich. Otter used to make a peculiar sound while talking. Aw, aw, aw. Octopus, thank you so much for your invitation. My pleasure. Please, Otter, can you gather some information on ostrich? Ostrich? Okay, I can try. Otter had a friend, the wise owl, who lived in an oak tree. Owl was a reporter and she gave all the information about ostrich to the otter. Otter shared the information with Sir Octopus. Octopus was pleased. He read all the information about the ostrich and thus wrote a big book on the ostrich. Yes, that is the short sound of letter O. Aw. So now, let us sing about the sounds of letter O. O is a vowel, it has two sounds. 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 Let us say the short sound O, 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 O. Let us say the short sound O, 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 O. O as in olive, O as in orange, O as in octopus. O as in olive, O as in orange, O as in octopus. Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. O is a vowel, it has two sounds. 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 Let us say the long sound O, 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 O. Let us say the long sound O, 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 O. O as in oboe, O as in ocean, O as in oak tree. O as in oboe, O as in ocean, O as in oak tree. Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. So now let us revise. What is the short sound of letter O? O. O as in otter. And what is the long sound of letter O? O. O as in ocean? Yes, an oak tree. And O as in oatmeal. Yes. In our next class, we will learn about letter P with another interesting story. And friends, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. See you in our next class. Till then, bye. Bye friends.